All right, hey guys, gonna do a little soundbite here of the truck with the new AFE air filter. So, kind of give you guys an idea of what it sounds like in the truck. I know that's one thing I was a little concerned about, was just the noise, how much louder it's gonna be, or if it's even gonna be noticeable. But I'll let you guys take a listen here. So you guys can kind of hear it. My honest opinion is it's really not that noticeable. It's a little bit louder than stock, but it's not that bad. I mean, you can hear the turbo spool a little bit, which I actually like. You know, it is a diesel, so you kind of got both sides of it. There's some guys that don't want to hear it; they want the truck quiet. And then you've got the guys that, yeah, it's a diesel. You want to hear the turbo and hear the whistle and everything. So, like I said, my honest opinion, I really like it. It's not super loud or obnoxious. It's subtle, but you can still hear it, and it's a good sound. So here's the AFE air filter. Basically, this is super simple to install. Less than probably 15-20 minutes to put this in. Basically, you pull off your original air box cover, air filter out, pull the tube out, pull your map sensor here out of the original box. It actually mounts in here with these two bolts, and then your air filter connects to it on the inside. You've got a 45 rubber boot here, comes with the kit, and then your aluminum downpipe. I don't know how well you guys can see back in there, but basically that pipe, maybe I can get it to zoom in, but basically it goes into your stock boot that's right above the turbo. So again, it's like you remove that back hose clamp, pull your air box out, pull out two Phillips screws that hold the map sensor on, and then reinstall with the AFE stuff. Very simple. Super clean, really nice quality. Can't complain at all. So you guys can kind of see it's a little dusty now, but you guys can see where it's got the AFE sign on it there, here on the box, and then there's also one back in there. So maybe you guys can maybe see that boot, maybe not. But anyway, my overall opinion of it, absolutely love it. The sound you guys just heard in the beginning of this video, really like the sound of it. You can kind of hear the turbo, but it's not, you know, over the top. And then the quality of the kit is really nice. This one here, actually, it's on sale right now, but I paid $328 for it. I think right now it's on sale for like $277 or $280. So I'll attach a link in the description of where I picked this up. And yeah, you guys, if you got any questions on it, I'd try to do my best to help you out. I'll let you kind of keep you posted on the performance side of it. It's going to be kind of difficult because I did some other stuff to the truck at the same time. So, but we'll see how it all comes out together. So anyway, if you guys like the content, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again.